Hey, here's how to Zway the easy way. As you know, Zway is now giving back to the business community that supported us for the last 8 years. If you're a small business with less than, say, 10 million turnover, you can now buy the apps that you've been using and loving but paying every month for. If you're not already a Zway user, you'll be delighted to know that the apps that cost your business a small fortune every year
can now be replaced by one single payment to Zway. The best bit is you don't have to buy Zway and replace them all at once. To help you even more, we've broken the whole suite into about 10 different parts. Just buy the bit where you want to start. Then, if you need more functionality or extra users, just go to your admin center here, click on License Dashboards, and buy the bits you need, and as many users as you want. Just pay once for each package and save your business a fortune by cutting out the software as a service costs from other vendors. Remember,
no single action in Zway takes more than 2 minutes, and most of the things you do with your existing expensive pay monthly deals can be done on Zway.
So, for example, the Activity Manager application can be accessed from your dashboard, either straight into the Activity dashboard here, or by clicking on Activity, the application here. So if I wanted to go into the Activity dashboard, it immediately opens up all of the activities that I'm involved in or I've delegated to others here. You can have as many dashboards, we call them boards or Kanban boards here, as you wish. This is a builder's example. So here we have plot 4, 308 Van Dyke Road, and you can see that there's lots of activities to do, some which have been rejected or not completed. And literally all you do when you have done an activity or you want to update it is drag it and drop it to the place where it needs to be put. And so when things are done, they change color. They automatically tell you when things are overdue. There's loads of things that are overdue here, some that are done on time, and when they're complete, they go into another place, and you can just drag them and drop them. This comes with a mobile app on your iPhone, and it works equally as well there. You can see here for this particular plot, this Kanban board, only 18% of the activities are completed, but gradually as they get done, the percentage will go up and it will show you how you're doing. You can have, as I said earlier, any number of these boards as you wish, and you can have any number of sections within each Kanban board. So for an example here, I've got to do, in progress, quality check needed, done, and rejected or not complete. But to add another board, you just click here, click new board, or if I want to add a new task to the board, I just put here, I'm just going to call it new task for now, I'm not creative enough to make a name up for it. Say that the due date is for tomorrow, and the due time that it needs to be done is for 8:30 tomorrow. You can categorize them if you wish. If it's got to be done by tomorrow, I put it in as urgent. Priorities, you can put priorities in there as well. You can see the status. I'm going to put it in as a task that needs to be done, in other words, into the to-do. And you can have boards and tasks per location. You can even set reminders for it to tell you, an hour or a minute or a day before when things need to be done. You can add a much better description here. So for people that need to have job descriptions added to their tasks, it's there. You can even label them so they're easy to find. But here's the thing, all of these tasks and activities can be delegated. I'm going to give this one to Lammy Laminate. My name is Woody Wooderson in this particular case. And if I want to take the task back, I just click My Task and it changes the name. And once it's saved, it goes in here. Now the reason why it's green is because the task doesn't have to be done until tomorrow. If it gets near tomorrow, it will start to turn red to say that it's overdue. I can change it to in progress, but if I do put it into the done file, this new task will send a notification to the person that set the task if it was delegated to others. It's that easy to use. You can see all of your tasks in a list format as well as on the dashboard themselves, and you can see the ones that are open, the ones that are closed, the ones that are archived, and here you can see all the labels. So in this case, because it's a a building example. There's labels for plasterers and carpenters. This can be used in so many different activities. It filters, it allows you to see all of the different labels and columns that you want to see. So if you don't want to see the category that it's in, you just remove it and it disappears from the view. You can filter these by deadlines, by who they're assigned to. Really easy to manage and to be notified of your tasks that are outstanding on a really beautiful Kanban board basis. This replaces Trello, Monday.com, and all those other highly expensive applications. And remember, no task that you will undertake in the Zway platform will take more than 2 minutes to do. Everything we do is in small chunks and really easy to do.